What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. The best way to grow your glutes is to stretch your glutes. So we are going to be doing some glute stretches, booty stretches, stretches for your butt, whatever you want to call them today. And we're really going to focus on the actual glute muscles so that you can stretch them out and you can grow them when you work out. So follow along with these stretches. They're really easy, really mild, so you're not going to have to do too much yoga type crazy stuff. They're going to be fairly beginner, so let's do this. So for this first stretch, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be laying flat on the mat. Put your arms out, put your legs down. You're going to take one of your legs and you're going to bring it over, just like that. Keep your arms down on the floor and just hold this position for 20 seconds. Perfect. Now what you want to do is pick that leg up and put it back, and then take the other leg and bring it over. You're going to feel this in your hamstring, you're going to feel it in your upper glute right here, you're also going to feel it in your lower back. It's a nice little twist and it feels so good. And hold this for 20 seconds. And the higher you bring your leg up, the more of a glute stretch you're gonna get. So try to bring that leg up near your arm as much as possible. And then coming back, we're going to get up and do the pigeon. You wanna bring your foot up and cross it. And you wanna put the other foot flat. Put your foot flat on the ground and bring your body forward, and you're gonna feel it in this leg right here that's bent. This is the one that you're stretching right now. And you're just gonna lean forward. We're gonna do each side for 20 seconds. This one feels good, and if you want a little bit more of a stretch, you can just rock back and forth to where, so right here feels really good for me. Yeah, right there feels good for me. So if you have just worked out and you're pretty sore, and you know exactly where you're sore, you can kind of just rock back and forth and stretch out all the different muscles in your glutes. And then just lean forward and really stretch the hamstring and all that stuff. I can really feel it up here. It's good. Good job. Switch legs. Give yourself another 20 seconds. This next stretch is called the seated spinal twist, and we've done these before. What you want to do is take your opposite leg and twist the other way. And don't try to force yourself to twist super hard. We're mostly trying to stretch our leg here, not our back. So don't worry about twisting your back super crazy and popping your spine. It's a leg stretch right now, so we're just focusing on getting the glutes to stretch. And we're gonna hold this for 15 seconds. Go ahead and switch legs. If you don't feel a stretch, just take your elbow and push your leg away from you a little bit more, and you'll start to really feel it right here. And then this last stretch, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do standing figure fours. So what you wanna do is you take your leg and you cross it, and you bend your other leg and you lean forward. Damn, my hip just popped. Did you guys hear that? Old person alert, just kidding. I'm not old, but my hip popped and it did feel good too. So just lean over like this, and I feel it right here, right in my butt. So we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. If you don't have balance, if you can't balance, just hold the wall. As I say, you don't have balance, I get no balance. Isn't that weird? So just hold the wall. Oof. If you need a little bit more of a stretch too, you can point your toe and just go a little bit lower and just like bop up and down. Oh man, that feels so good. So good. Good job. Go ahead and switch sides. Try coming down on your knee and then slowly going up and pushing your butt out. You're really gonna feel a stretch on your top butt. You're really gonna feel the stretch on your top butt and your hamstrings, and also I can feel it in my groin, just a little bit right here on the inside. It feels really good. Good job, that's it, that's literally it. You're gonna feel a little bit sore after you stretch just because your body's been super tight. You can do some of these. I like to step and like move my hips. Give yourself a little bit of flexibility. And that's it, you guys. Making sure that you stretch your glutes and your butt is gonna help you grow that area a lot faster than you would if you didn't stretch that area. So if you guys enjoyed these stretches, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. You can do these after your weekly glute workouts. So after you work out, do these stretches. It's really, really gonna help. I'm telling you. You can do them every week. It's not like muscle building where you can't use the same workouts all the time. It's just stretching, so it's always gonna help. If you guys like this, give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.